Hello everyone, my name is Attila Bódi and this is the Hungarian in-kind contribution team, and our proposal is called machine learning-based classification of variable stars. And our purpose is to find and classify large amplitude variable stars and periodically update the classification results. And we will use the multicolor light curves or the LSSC survey and plan to use the periods from other brokers and also external catalogs like Gaia or PennStars. And we will provide a publicly available catalog of large amplitude variable stars. And this in-kind contribution is relevant to all other science collaborations working on variable stars, like classification and characterization, interacting binaries, pulsating variables, distance scales, etc. And this is a directable in-kind contribution by the Hungarian Konkoly Observatory. And our team has already formed, but if you want to join, you are welcome. This software is entirely original, and we plan to use GPU-accelerated Unix-based systems because we want to develop our code in TensorFlow. And our team has already begun collecting user stories. And this is the timeline of developing the algorithm. And right now, our team is finally funded and we are working on the project. And we are at an early stage. We started to collect available multiband live curves from the ZTF survey, and we will use this database to create a training set to develop our machine learning based classification algorithm. Thank you.